What did you draw?
Walking house.
A walking house?
Right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
You draw something else?
Yeah. The white. So little white. That one. That little one right there. Daddy one. Yeah, mommy one.
What's that?
Baby one.
Baby? Baby what?
Baby walking
A
house.
baby walking house?
Look it right there.
What's that?
His legs,
Legs?
mouth,
Mouth?
his eyes.
Arms?
Yeah. No hands. Kid, baby one. Now mommy.
Mommy?
Oh, that Kabaka.
That's Captain America?
Yeah. That his blue.
You need blue?
Yeah. Kabaka and blue. Kabaka and blue. Kabaka and blue.
How do you hold the marker?
That side. That Kabaka.
That's Captain America?
Yeah, about his boots. I draw his boots.
You're gonna draw his boots?
Yeah. Their boot.
Oh, that's a good one. Good job.
His eye boot.
Does he have a head?
Yeah. There's his head. There's his head.
What about eyes?
The right there. The eye.
His eyes are on his boots?
Oh, those are boots.
Those aren't boots.
No, those down there. They boot down here.
Oh, those are his boots?
Yeah. Yeah. Now mouth. Happy.
Is he happy?
Yeah. It's down, draw his arms.
Whoa, that's a long arm.
No, it's shield.
What? Oh, a shield.
It's shield.
Good job.
Now those legs. That's come out look what Dad drew.
Say hi, Mace. You have a good day at school today?
Yeah. I want Max to see what they drew.
He will. What did you learn at school? When your teacher asked you what is something that you love, what did you say?
A video game.
Video games. What are you making now, Maddox?
Wolverine.
Wolverine. Can you sing your ABCs or something for the camera? Can you sing? Did you have fun at school today, Maddox? Did you get Valentine's?
No.
What kind of Valentine's did you get?
2.
You got more than 2. Who gave you Valentine's?
My friends.
Your friends. Which ones?
Cartoon Wood.
Cars 2. What friends?
Mommy, I want more of these Jackson.
Jackson.
Yeah,
Who else?
Jackson there. That big Wolverine.